Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Changi Airport's Terminal 2. So join me as I head off to Kuala Lumpur this early morning. I've got about 6:30 a.m. right here. Let's go. Right, friends, so today's flight is on SQ106. We are scheduled to depart at 8:30 and scheduled to arrive in Kuala Lumpur at 9:30 a.m. So let's see what happens. And here is our 5.5-year-old aircraft waiting for us. So boarding started at about 8:10, about 20 minutes before departure. So this Airbus A350-900 is the medium haul version. They have 3 versions. So this one has 40 business seats, and we are now passing 12 of the business seats. The other 28 would have been on the left of the door that we entered just now. And at the back we are now heading into the 263 economy seats, which come in a 333 configuration. And I'm now heading to my window seat 61A. So let's take a look at the features of the aircraft seat made by Recaro, Germany. We've got the cup holder. Tray folds down into 2. Very nice firm feel it has, you know. That folds back, and then you have a mirror there. There you are. Use that as a kind of vanity mirror. And then down to the seat pocket, very deep seat pockets. The pitch, by the way, in Singapore Airlines economy is 32 inches, very generous. Normally, as I understand it, you get maybe 30 inches in other airlines. You see, good amount of space. I'm about 1.7 meters tall, so you can just say it. And that's the in-seat power supply for your electronic devices. 2 for each 3 seats. So whilst waiting for pushback, let's examine the in-flight entertainment system. So Chris World, the in-flight entertainment system for Singapore Airlines, offers a huge range of movies and TV programs, dining menus, even shopping via Chris Shop, although here it's not available because this is a short flight. And headphones are not given out unless you request for them. So on longer flights, there's more than enough entertainment options to keep you occupied. And this is of course the safety video made in conjunction with the Singapore Tourism Board.
Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore.
So finally, just slightly after 9 a.m, they did the pushback and we were on our way. So getting into position here. And off we go. Just love this part. just after takeoff. Our plane is now traveling in the south-southeast direction, and then he will slowly bank in a northeastern direction, and later he will be passing near to Pulau Tekong, and after that he will head sort of in a northwest direction towards Kuala Lumpur. And now we see a magnificent view in the distance of Changi Airport. A lovely sight indeed. So shortly after takeoff they served drinks and I chose coffee. So the time now is about 9:46 a.m. My guess is that we'll be landing in about 10-15 minutes time. So we're now landing. You're looking at a very large oil palm plantation. It is vital to Malaysia's economy. They are the second largest producer of palm oil in the world. So finally landed. Let's see how long it takes for us to clear immigration and customs. By the way, we found the SIA flight attendants very helpful and very courteous. We're very pleased with that.
Bye, thank you.
So Singapore Airlines uses a satellite terminal at KLIA's Terminal 1. So what this means is that from your aircraft, you make your way onto the building and then make your way downstairs to the ground level, pick up a bus, which is the one that we're on right now, and then you travel for something like about maybe a kilometer, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, and then from there you make your way upstairs to the second level, where you walk through and then find your way through immigration, customs, and then baggage claim and all that. So to be frank, it is quite a hassle and, in my opinion, a waste of time, you know. The comparison would be Malaysian Airlines. In Malaysian Airlines case, they stop at the actual terminal itself. So you don't have to go to a satellite terminal and then make your way, you know, to the main terminal. So that is the difference there. Incidentally, I have made a video about a trip from Kuala Lumpur back to Singapore, but using Malaysia Airlines and using Terminal 1, and you can see the difference. I will put that link in the description. So as you can see, it's a fair distance from your satellite terminal to the main terminal, and you don't always get a seat, which means you have to stand up and hold on to your baggage all this distance. And this is of course where you get off, and you will then take an escalator up to the second level, or if you are in a wheelchair, then you have to go down and then look for the lift, which is at the extreme right hand side of this area here. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the KLIA Terminal 1. Very nice terminal. You have got your money changers, you've got your food, you've got little shops, you can buy souvenirs, you can buy so many things. It's a very clean, big, airy airport. Very nice indeed, to be honest. What had happened after this, of course, was that we went through immigration, customs, and we got hold of a Grab ride-hailing taxi, as it were. That cost us something around 70 Malaysian ringgit from here to our hotel in the Bukit Bintang area. Hotel details in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and selamat datang to KL, as they say.